time, we're going to continue to draw these characters from Winnie the Pooh, okay? Now we have, there's two kangaroos, the mama kangaroo and the baby kangaroo. We're going to draw the baby kangaroo today. His name is Roo, okay? Grab your pencil. Grab your pencil.
Kangaroo.
It's the Roo in kangaroo, okay? Okay, so in the middle of the page, we're going to draw his head, okay? I'm going to do half a circle. I'm going to come down here and his cheek, and then come back up. His head. Now we're going to draw his eyes. They're small, right here. And he has a small black nose, oval. And then we're going to draw the outline of his nose, okay? So, and it comes down to his mouth. Okay, very good. And then we have the eyebrows. And he's got big fan-looking ears, okay?
That's a really big fanny looking ear.
Okay, now we're gonna draw his body. Here's his arm. Here is his arm. They come in here. We're gonna draw his legs, okay? So comes out, foot. Same thing on the other side. Comes out, foot. See how it comes out more? And go back up and connect them. Go up, to the right, down, connect. Okay, and then we're going to draw his tail. His tail is on the left over here. Okay, that's Roo. And now we're going to draw the rabbit. And I'm not sure, I think the rabbit's name is just Rabbit. Okay, so his head is a circle. I'm going to draw two big eyes. Middle here, a circle.
Middle here, circle. Middle here, and a circle.
His nose is a triangle.
Nose triangle.
His mouth is 2J connected together. And this part comes down here. This part comes down here. You can draw his ears. They're leaf shape, okay? Kind of like a leaf. Okay, and here it's kind of tricky. This is his body and then his leg. On this side, we're going to draw his other arm. Okay. Okay, and then from here, we're going to draw his hind leg. Okay, so it's going to come down like this. The same knee as the other side. Foot goes up and butt. Alright, and this is where we're going to put his tail, okay? His tail is going to be right here. And then we're going to finish his stomach here. It's a round half circle. And then we're going to connect the foot to it.
Gonna connect the foot.
And then we're going to draw his the other arm.
We're going to draw his other arm.
And that's the rabbit. And now we're going to color them, okay?